Of lipids. In this experiment, we will demonstrate the solubility of the given lipid in various cold and hot solvent. Comparison of its specific gravity with that of water. Reagents: cold alcohol, ether, chloroform, cold water, and hot water. The principle of solubility of lipids are that it is based on the property of solubility of lipids in organic solvent and insolubility in water. Lipids are lighter than water, therefore these float on it, which indicates that the specific gravity of lipid is less than that of water. Procedure: take 3 ml of each cold water, hot water, alcohol, ether, and chloroform in a separate test tube. Add 5 drops of given oil into each test tube. Shake each test tube vigorously and allow it to stand. You will observe the solubility of oil in each test tube. Heat the test tube to see the effect of heating on solubility. Interpretation: the lipids and water separate quickly, which indicates that lipids are not soluble in water, whereas a clean solution are formed in the case of organic solvent, showing that lipid is soluble in organic solvent. Temperature of the solution has no effect on the solubility of the lipids. Lipids remain insoluble both in hot and cold water. Specific gravity of lipid is less than that of water, which is shown through floating of lipid on the surface of water.
Solubility of lipids. This test is used to detect the solubility of lipids in cold and hot solvents and its specific gravity with the water. Reagents used: cold alcohol, ether, chloroform, cold and hot water. Take 3 ml hot water, cold water, alcohol, ether and chloroform in separate test tubes and label them. Then add 5 drops of given oil into each test tubes. Then shake the test tubes and allow them to stand. We are adding 5 drops of oil in each test tube. Now we will observe the solubility of oils in each test tube. We will see that oil will be insoluble in hot and cold water, but with soluble in alcohol, ether, chloroform.
Water.